Still training in the gym just for the looks, just pure hypertrophy? What if I told you that there is a better way to look better as well as to feel better, and that is training like an athlete? And don't worry, you don't have to play a sport to train like an athlete. So let's talk about why everyone should be training like an athlete and how exactly to do it. And trust me, by the end of this video you will have a great idea about what is to be training like an athlete, how you can exactly train like an athlete, what are the things that you should be taking care of. Let's get started, and before we move ahead, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. So what exactly is athletic training? देखो, एथलीट का गोल बस मसल बिल्डिंग या फिर फैट लॉस करना नहीं है. एथलेटिक ट्रेनिंग इज अ होलिस्टिक अप्रोच टू फिटनेस, जहां हम सारे कंपोनेंट्स को ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, जैसे स्पीड, पावर, स्ट्रेंथ, मोबिलिटी, इंड्योरेंस एज वेल एज बिल्डिंग मसल. And athletic training is not just about sprinting or doing cleans or power snatches, it is much more than that. So now you might have this question, why it is better than regular gym training? So in gym, people are hyper focused on how they look, how much weight they are lifting, how much they weigh on the weighing scale, but और सारी fitness components का क्या? तो ये athletic training में we are training everything. And in my opinion, athletic training is so much fun because you get to sprint, you get to jump around, आप नई complex movement सीखते हो, आप heavy lift करते हो और साथ साथ muscle building भी होती है. And let's be real, looking athletic is one of the best thing you can do for your confidence as well as your longevity. So now next question, how you can actually start training like an athlete. So I know training like an athlete for a beginner is very confusing. So let me break it down to you, and we will go step by step and we will start very slowly. When I started my athletic training, I basically focused on two things. First was learning compound movements, second was mobility. Learn form and technique, we will start with learning squats, front and back, deadlifts, a proper deadlift form and technique, how to brace properly, how to do a bench press, how to do overhead press. These are all the fundamental movements, as well as how to do a pull up. Even if you are not able to do a pull up, how to retract the shoulders, how to protract the shoulders. These are the things that we are going to learn. और मोबिलिटी के लिए वी आर वर्किंग ऑन 3 पॉइंट्स. फर्स्ट इज एंकल, जिसके लिए हम लोग करेंगे एंकल डॉर्सिफ्लेक्शन ड्रिल्स. सेकंड इज हिप, हिप इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल रोटेशन. एंड थर्ड इज योर स्पाइन. Or for spine, we are working on 3 types. First will be lateral flexion, second will be rotation, and the third will be flexion and extension. With all these things going on, we will now start learning jumping as well as landing safely. So we will start with very basic, low intensity, low impact movements like pogo hops, skipping, box jumps. So इनमें से कोई 2 variations before your leg day, जो आपके body को prepare भी करेगा lower body movements के लिए. So for now, just make these 2 changes in your training routine for the first 4 to 6 weeks, and that is a good place to start training like an athlete. Start slow and be patient with yourself, and the most importantly, have fun. Have fun with your training, because that is the most important part of your training. If you're not enjoying your training, there's no point in doing that training. So make sure you're having fun with it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Train like an athlete, get strong, get fast.